Morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Kyra, and I'm going to be teaching you about addition and subtraction with some manipulatives. So here you see that we have our different units. Here are our ones, much smaller, our tens, and then our 100. Okay, so here is our first equation. And up there we have 32 plus 21. So we're going to take our 3 toothpicks, and these represent our tens place. And then we're going to take 2 of our single units. These are our ones. So that right there is 3 and 2 is 32. And then on our other side, on the bottom, we have we're going to add 2 and 1. And those two, that's 20, 10, 20, and then 1. And so basically we just add them together. Those two toothpicks go with those 3. And that's going to bring us to 5. 5 in our tens place. And then it's going to bring us 3 in our ones place. So we started with 3, and then we added the 2. So that's going to give us a total of 5. And then 1, 2, and 3. And you see right here, 32. 21, that's 2 and 1 is 3, 3 and 2 is 5, and that's what we got right here. Okay, now we're going to work with some subtraction, and this is going to be a little different. We're going to start with our top number, which is 56. So I've got 5 in the tens place, which is our 5 toothpicks, which represents 50, and then we have 6 in the ones place, which is going to be our ones units. And what we're going to do here is we're going to subtract 32. And so we're going to start with our ones place, and see we have 6 in the ones units. We're going to subtract 2, which is 1, 2. And we're going to put those to the side. And so that leaves us right there with 4. And then we're going to do the same thing to the 5s. So we have 5, and we need to take away 3. So that's 1, 2, and 3 that we're going to take away out of that, which leaves us with 2. And so that's 24. Okay, so this is going to be our last subtraction equation that we're going to look at. And it's going to be 91 minus 48. And right here you see I already have the toothpick set up. I have 9 big toothpicks, and those are our tens place, and 1 in our ones place. Now in this equation we are supposed to be taking 8. If we start with our ones, we're supposed to take 8 from 1. And seeing as we can't do that, we're going to have to take one of our bigger toothpicks, because these represent 10, and we're going to borrow from them. We're going to take that 1, and we're going to turn it into 10 ones. And that's right here, 1. So that's going to give us 11 in the ones place. And now we have plenty to take away our 8. So we take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to move those away. And that's going to leave us with 3. Okay. And so since we borrowed from over here, that left us with 8 in the tens place. We still have to take away 4. So we just take away a 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's going to leave us with 4 toothpicks. So our total, our sum, equals 43. Well, that concludes my video. Thank you for watching. And I hope I've helped you understand some simple addition and subtraction.